How to change Snapchat profile picture. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change your Snapchat profile picture. The first step is to open or launch the Snapchat application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. From here, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. On this page, you can find details about your account, such as your Snap score, trophies, and many other features that allow you to customize your Snapchat experience. Once you are here, look for the Settings icon that appears as a gear symbol at the top right corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will take you to the Settings page. On this page, you will see many different sections and options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your Snapchat account. From here, scroll down until you reach the section named Bitmoji. This is the section that allows you to manage your profile picture, since Snapchat uses Bitmoji avatars instead of traditional profile photos. Tap on it and you will land on the Bitmoji settings page. From here, you will see different options that allow you to customize your Bitmoji. Among them is the option named Remove Bitmoji. Tap on it if you want to remove your current Bitmoji profile picture. Once you remove it, you can then go ahead and create a new Bitmoji again. This will allow you to customize and design a fresh avatar that reflects your current style. The process is very simple and only takes a few steps. By following this method, you will be able to change your Snapchat profile picture easily whenever you want. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change Snapchat profile picture.